Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I'm SEBI certified research analyst. This video I'm going to we are discussing about candlesticks patterns. So here one of the candlesticks patterns about doji we are going to see here, and last lesson we seen on the video, so how we can effectively use the what is the types of doji. So in this video we are going to know how effectively we use the doji candles. Okay, that thing we are going to discuss in this video. So anyone who new to my channel, kindly make subscribe, and I hope this video may be useful to you all during this uh, 144 of India. So it may be useful to you the lesson. Let's do on. Okay, and anyone not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe. Okay, the doji we seen there will be four types of doji. So here we are going to see the dojis which is four priced. That is the first doji, which we know that four priced doji that has not happened most of the cases, and this doji is only the illiquid stocks. So we ignore the first doji, that is four priced doji. This one four priced doji we ignored it, but here we are going to use the gravestone doji. Gravestone doji, this is also be valid and important. So we can use this doji pattern when it forms, when the gravestone doji will formed at the top of the market. So for example, if the stock price is like increasing like this, and the doji is formed like here, this is called a gravestone doji at the top, and the next candle which forms a red candle if it is, so there will be a reversal in trend. So we can use this doji as a reversal in trend. So we each and every candlestick pattern we are going to use the two ways. One is we have to find there will be a continuation pattern or in a reversal pattern. So this candlestick pattern which we can use for the reversal in the trend, so that will give you the reversal, how it going to reverse the market. So here previously market is going upside and it forms a gravestone doji at the top, that will be a confirmation about the trend reversal. But not only this candle alone we are not using the trend reversal, there will be a expected reversal is there, and we have to see the next candle what it is. Next is the red candle which is closed below the low of the gravestone doji. That is what very important. And then we are going to sell below this level, sell below this candle. This as well your stop loss for a trend reversal trade. This is what the confirming candle. This is your confirm trade. This is your confirming candle, whether this reversal candlestick pattern which formed at the top of the level, even it forms in the top, this candlesticks will confirming this will be a reversal in trend. So you can go for a sell below this candle and you can maintain a stop loss for the candle, or you have to previous candle what it is, so that candle also be closed. So clearly tell you sell uh, 3 closes below lowest candle of the 1 and 2. So this is what first candle. So here I am not finding out the candlesticks, not putting the candlesticks. For example, gravestone doji at the top, so this is what candle 1, and this is what candle gravestone doji, and third candle which is closed below this level. For example, so this level, this is what sell entry or sell signal below this candle. For example, if it is made low below this candle, this gravestone doji at the top, which is next candle, the black in candle which closed below the first candle of the low of the first candle. So that should be the sell in pattern, so which I will show you on the live charts, so we can understand what I'm telling you. So wherever it forms, but most of the time we cannot find the gravestone doji in a lesser time frame. We can find out this is what which we find. This is looks like a doji candle, so I using my scanner I have taken this stock. So let's tell you what are the stocks which is forms any other Tata Chemicals. So let's check it. Tata Chemical, which I'm going to shown here. So which I have the screener in a charting website. So you also create the screener for a charting website. You using the screener, you can easily find out there will be a reversal and everything. So here you see that here. This is the candle. It looks like it's a doji candle. Here it is a spinning top like that. So we find out there will be a perfect, here you see that there will be a perfect doji candle, that is a long legged high waved doji. Okay, so we have to find the particular Gravestone doji. So that will be difficult to find out if you don't know the, if you are regularly tracking the stocks, you will find out, because it is a daily candle. So we have to find out, or if you check any other weekly candle, so if it is forms, what is the criteria and what should be we can follow for the Gravestone doji. And let assume here we didn't have the chances to find it, but this is the clear doji and long length doji. Here it's a like a Gravestone here doji, so it's a weekly chart. Okay, so how we can use this doji candles? So when here it's a weekly, exactly the doji formation is formed for the weekly basis, the Tata Chemicals. So I'm going to searching for the spinning that Gravestone doji at the topest level. So we didn't have the chances to find out the top level doji spinning top. So let have to example take this as a spinning top. For example, any spinning top, yeah, you can see this as the spinning top. Let us assume this as the spinning top. So what I am going to find out, there will be a trade, or here you see there will be a spinning top on weekly basis. Okay, so let's check this as a, but this is not a spinning top. Let's understand, I'm going to explain what is the view or what are the trade point. So this has looked like a spinning top without this wick. Okay, so the spinning top candle which forms, this is the first candle, and spinning top is the second candle, and third candle we got a confirmation. So first candle is a, it is also looks like doji. The second candle is spinning top, and third candle which closes below the low of this first candle. So here we got a confirmation, that is trend reversal. So the prior trend, it keeps going up. So I am expecting there will be a down. So where I am going to sell below the low of this particular candle with the stop loss of this. So when if I do the trade with this as a sell entry, this is my sell entry, understood? This is my sell entry, and this as my stop loss. When I got a trade opportunity after 4 days, after 4 weeks, so I got a trade opportunity is around 250 level, around 250 level, with this my stop loss of 270 level. I got a 20 point stop loss. From there the market is fallen down up to 230 level. So if I take 1:1, so I will giving, it will give me 20 points as a profit. So 20 point risk and 20 point profit in this scenario. But you understand, this is not a clear cut Gravestone doji. This is not clear Gravestone doji. So to find out the Gravestone doji, we have to track every time. So once that happens, so we can find out on daily basis when its formation is formed. So that is what very important. And the same Gravestone doji when it forms at a bottom. Okay, the same thing it will forms in a bottom of the market also. When the market is beaten down, so it will forms in a bottom too. So let's take daily basis, any find out. So here one stock I am taken for a study cases. If you are following daily basis this workout, you will be find out the daily the stocks which forms this kind of patterns. You see that this is also looks like, but it have the wicks. So we have to find, this is doji candle, long legged doji candle. So we don't have, here you see that there will be a open equal to close, but this is not equal, open equal to not close, it is near about. So it look like a hammer, a ranking man. Okay, so Gravestone doji is the pattern which forms that will give you short profit, or it will give you the trend reversal very easily. So here if you check that, so there will be a sell point here and it is going down. At the same time, if the doji forms at a bottom, okay, then Gravestone doji forms at a bottom. At bottom, so what happen at if it is forms at a bottom? So let's check that if it is forms at the bottom, what will be like that, the candle 1 and the candle 2 and the candle 3, when it forms like this. This is what the candle where we get the bottom Gravestone doji. So this is what giving you the confirmation for the trend reversal when the market keeps going down on a downtrend, and there will be a reversal in nature. Here also we have to wait, there will be a close above this level of the next green candle. So there will be a buy signal when it crosses, market crosses above here buy, and this doji low as your stop loss. I hope you understand, but the finding out this kind of dojis is very difficult, and if you have any other scanners you can get it. And daily basis, if I scan today, I don't have any stocks which forms this kind of patterns. So if you are following the daily basis these things, you can find out those stocks which forms this kind of patterns. So the Gravestone doji we can use for two ways. We can use two ways, one at the top and another at the bottom. So one at top, it indicates the candlesticks which forms higher in nature and it forms like this, and second candle it is in black in nature, so we got a sell signal, and this as my stop loss. This is important reversal candle. And another one, when the stock is increasing, the formation which forms, sorry, we already seen increased one, and the stock is decreasing, this as looks like this, and it forms. So when the next candle which breaks above this level, so this is what green candle, and this is what your buy opportunity. Okay, and this is what your stop loss. This is looks like the Gravestone doji. So at top, at bottom, so we can use as a reversal candlesticks pattern that will give you more reliable reversals. So but to finding out this kind of candlesticks pattern is quite difficult, but if you are tracking the stock on daily basis, it is very easy to find out the same stock. For example, if any stock which forms that kind of in daily basis, you can check it out on the nature. This is doji which forms at highest level. On daily basis, if you seen any this kind of patterns, that will give you some good return or good or extraordinary return. This is not everything having not the same of Gravestone doji. So most of the times we got a doji candles. Okay, you see doji and again doji, and the doji itself we have a lot of confirmation, and from there how we can affect it. We have seen one part of Gravestone doji that we already discussed, and we can move for a long legged doji, that is what I wave doji. Okay, long legged and I wave doji, how we can use and how we can effectively use that doji in doji candles. Okay, next video. Thanks for being with me, and thank you very much. If you're not subscribed, kindly subscribe the channel to get more updates.